How many times have you planned, but not acted? How many times have you watched others succeed and thought, I wish I could do that? The truth is, you can. But you are stopping yourself. Not your situation, not your background, not your luck. You. Because you are afraid. Afraid of mistakes, afraid of people laughing, afraid of failure. But failure is not the problem. Every successful person has failed. Failure teaches, improves, prepares you. Fear stops you. Now let's talk about English. You say, I want to speak fluently. But what do? You watch videos, learn grammar, read books. But you don't speak. Why? Because you are waiting, to be perfect, to be confident, for the right moment. That moment will never come. Confidence does not come first. Action comes first. You speak, then confidence comes. You make mistakes, learn, improve. Even a child makes mistakes, but still speaks. That's why children learn faster. So from today, stop waiting. Speak simple sentences. Even if wrong, speak. Even if people laugh, speak. Even if uncomfortable, speak. Every small step matters. Now listen carefully. Time is the most valuable thing in your life. Money can return, opportunities can return. But time never returns. Right now you think, I have time, but later becomes never. One day, you will realize. Years have passed, opportunities gone. And you will say, I had time, but I wasted it. Failure hurts for some time. Regret hurts for life. So what should you do? Start small. Speak one sentence. Learn one word. Practice 10 minutes. Read one paragraph. That's enough. Small steps every day create big results. Consistency is more powerful than motivation. You don't need motivation daily, you need discipline. Even when you don't feel like it, do it. Even when tired, do it. Even when boring, do it. Because success is built on consistency. Remember this line, your comfort zone is a beautiful prison. It keeps you safe, but keeps you stuck. If you stay, you feel relaxed, but never grow. If you step out, you feel uncomfortable, but you grow. So choose, comfort or growth, fear or action, excuses or results. Your future depends on this choice. From this moment, no more excuses, no more delay, no more tomorrow. Start today, start now, because your future is not decided by your dreams. It is decided by your actions, starting today.